Hi and welcome to another episode. Now in this episode I want to talk about the Eurovision Song Contest. Now like the last year I made a review of the Eurovision 2012, but I reviewed every song. It went on for 20 minutes and it was really exhausting and annoying. And this year I don't think every song deserves to be reviewed. So I'll just make a quick review of it. I stopped watching Eurovision Song Contest because of the winner 4 years ago in 2009, because you simply knew since then who was going to be a winner like a month ago. Like this year it was obvious it was going to be Denmark, and we all knew it. And to me the song has this Eurovision like melody, but it's boring. It's probably like if I would rank it somewhere like 10th to 15th place probably, and it shouldn't have won, really. Like the songs that I really liked were Italy, Malta, Ukraine, Iceland, France and Armenia. And those are songs I really like. They're really great. Of course there were other good songs, but those songs were best to me. And I don't know, Serbia, yes, I have to review Serbia because I'm from Serbia. Awful song. I don't feel sorry that we haven't passed the final, because our song was horrible. I don't understand it, no. I mean, lucky you that you understand Serbian probably, if you're not from Serbia, because the lyrics were the worst part of the song actually. Like my sister that is 6 years old, I have the feeling like she wrote it. It's that level of quality. And I noticed something that I notice like every year, and less and less countries are singing in their native language. Like I really take my hat off to Iceland and Estonia, and they almost every year Estonia sends almost every year entry in their native language. Iceland, I really was fascinated that their language is really nice to hear, and it's nice for singing. And I don't know, they haven't sent an entry in Icelandic. I can't recall that. And they're really nice songs, and yay for them. Now in this part of this video I would want to talk about some really awesome guys. No, not my fellow YouTubers from Novi Sad. Those guys come from Sečanj, and they went to a trip to Novi Sad, and they're huge fans of me, and we had a fan meetup. And I recorded them, and the video goes now.
Ajde.
Kukuruz. Na meni. YouTube.
Šta? Daj.
Fan meeting.
Da.
Snimi kukuruz.
And I took a few photos with them. You can see it down below in my Facebook fan page gallery. And I spent half an hour, a little bit more with them. I went with them through the city. They're really awesome. They're fun kids. And I'm really glad they wanted to see me, and I'm really glad that I had my first ever fan meetup. And yeah, it really means a lot to me, when I find out that more people are watching me than I thought. They that town is not near Novi Sad really. It's 2 hours away from Novi Sad by car, and I'm really surprised to know that, and that really makes me happy. Thanks for the support, guys. You're awesome. Awesome. So yeah, tune in next Wednesday when my next random thoughts video comes out. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode. See you next video. Bye.